Good morning. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Aksh. Good afternoon,
Good
Aksh.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, Akshat. Good afternoon,
Good
Arsala.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. If two kids have joined, how many were present in the previous class, Bacha? Akshat, how many children were there in the previous class, beta?
Ma'am, I think there were 11.
11. 6 have joined here. Fine, let's see how many more will join. One more has come. So, children, please tell me all what we have read yesterday. Have you understood that?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, today we will read the second paragraph of Uttar Pradesh.
Beta Akshat, you did not join the last class, the last lesson. We did way
Yes,
behind.
ma'am, that's in the recording. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Arslan, done? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So how are you all? I hope you all are in the pink of your health.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, fine. I've got 9 children here as well. Let's get started. Everybody be ready with your books. So yeah, we have to begin from
Ma'am, the second paragraph of Uttar Pradesh.
second paragraph of UP, Uttar Pradesh.
Agra and Kanpur. Say.
Right. Thank you so much, Akshat.
Welcome.
Chaliye. Just because of Akshaj, no fighting, no snatching. Akshaj, little look here, no? The class is here, not there. Chaliye, Akshaj, begin reading.
Okay, ma'am. Agra and Kanpur are some of the important cities of Uttar Pradesh.
Akshat, sorry, bache, sorry to disturb you. Just give me a minute. Children, before we'll begin with here, like before we'll start up, please tell me if you have any confusion or any doubts in the topics which we covered yesterday. Yes, Akshat. Is there anything?
Ma'am, I can understand the sector of Chandigarh. There's role and divide to sector.
Okay. I'll just tell you that what are those sectors they have referred to. If you have seen the video, bache, then you have seen that I showed the grid system. Did you see the grid system in the video? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So beta, in the
Yes.
actually just like we have seen those grids, just like those grids, they have divided different sectors. If you go to Delhi and all, you might have seen the people's address are sector 9, this and that. So just like people have, we have colonies here, they have their different sectors as well. And each sector has its own, like in each area is termed as a sector. And that sector has an educational institution, that sector has a medical hospital facility, right? It has a park, shopping malls, etc. That's what they have referred to as a sector. Okay.
And ma'am, what is grid? Grid.
I showed you the grid is basically like I can form a grid here as well, right? Just look at it. Okay. See, this drawn lines like this. Okay. And right now, what am I forming here? It's a
Sector.
grid. What is it?
Grid.
Grid. And these red linings which you can see, these kinds of roads they have laid here, and where I'm making these stars, right? These stars are the houses or kind of structures here, right? Around each sector they have, all the sector is bounded by roads on all the 4 sides. Got it? Got it, children?
Okay.
Akshat?
Ma'am, the red lines are roads.
Right. And the stars here are the houses, for example. Okay.
Ma'am, and there are many types of flowers and grass.
Yeah. Okay, Akshat, is the grid system clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we begin now? Apart from
Yes,
Akshat, is there anyone else who has any other doubt in the previous topics? Vedansh,
No,
it's
ma'am.
all clear? Vedanshu,
Yes, ma'am.
Charitra, Manya, Taranveer, Arshita,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ansh,
ma'am.
Ankur, Shivraj. Very good. Alankrita did not join the class today. Did she join the previous class?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, on WhatsApp she sent that she is traveling, so she can't
And
attend
what
today.
is wrong with Arsalan? Arsalan, you are in the class but still not present here. Arsalan, better look here. Do not talk anywhere else. Be in the class.
Mom was going outside, so he was saying, "Don't open the gate." So I was stopping.
Mom is he or mom is she?
Ma'am, she.
Yes, right? Mom is she, not he. Okay, fine. Okay, yes.
Ma'am, should I start reading?
Yes, Akshat, you can start reading now.
Agra and Kanpur are some of the important cities of Uttar Pradesh. The famous Taj Mahal is situated in Agra and it attracts tourists from all over the world. Kanpur is famous for textile, chemicals, leather, and engineering industries. Kathak, a famous classical dance, originated in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is famous for its handcrafts such as silk sarees, the brocade designs of Varanasi, the chicken embroidery of Lucknow, the carpentry in Saharanpur, and the bracework of Muradabad.
Brass work. It's the brass work.
Muradabad. Hindi and Urdu are dominant spoken languages of Uttar Pradesh.
Well done.
Can I read Bihar?
Daksh, wait. Well done, Akshat. Nicely read. Okay. So as Akshat read, Arsalan, now the mama has gone. Now where are you looking? Arsalan, please keep the camera on. Yes. So Agra and Kanpur are some of the important cities of Uttar Pradesh. And one recapitulation question: which is the capital of Uttar Pradesh, children? Daksh will tell us. Daksh, what is the capital of Uttar Pradesh?
Ma'am, can I tell?
No.
And Lucknow.
Can I?
Right? Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Right? So Agra and Kanpur are some of the important cities of the state. The famous Taj Mahal. How many of you have seen the Taj Mahal?
Ma'am, me.
Have you seen in pictures?
And my mother shows.
Right? You must have seen in pictures.
Ma'am, I've gone to Agra and see it.
Wow. Okay.
Ma'am, I have also gone to Agra and seen.
Why is the Taj
My
Mahal?
mother has seen.
Okay. Can you tell me why the Taj Mahal is so famous that people come from all over the world?
Ma'am, because it is made by great Emperor Shahjahan.
What is one more special thing about Taj Mahal, which no other monument in India has?
And it is made by white marble.
And there's one more quality. Tell me. It is included in the
Agra.
Ma'am, its color change by time to time. In morning it is white and
it is one of
in
the
evening
what?
मैम जब इसको बनाया था तो शाहजहां ने जिसने इसको बनाया था उनके हाथ काट दिए थे ताकि ऐसी और
हिंदी बच्चे नो हिंदी बेटा.
ओके मैम.
Can you see something on the screen I have written?
And seven wonders.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes,
is one of the 7 wonders of the world?
Ma'am, rainbow.
Rainbow. There are 7 wonders of the world.
Ma'am, what is wonder?
अजूबे दुनिया के 7 अजूबों में से एक क्या है?
Taj Mahal.
मैम ताजमहल.
Taj Mahal.
Right. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Got it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? That is why it is so famous. There's only one monument of India which is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Okay. Got it? Right. So Kanpur, again, Kanpur and Agra, as we read, are the famous cities of the state. Kanpur is famous for textile, chemicals, leather, and engineering industries. Whereas Kathak is a famous classical dance which originated in Uttar Pradesh. Right? Where has it originated? Beta, I have said very clearly, nobody will draw anything on the screen. Daksh,
Yes, ma'am.
who has done this?
Ma'am, Ankush Gautam.
Ma'am,
Ankush Gautam.
Ankush Gautam.
Ankush Gautam.
Ankush Gautam.
Nobody will draw anything on the screen, right? So children, that is what I was telling you. Okay, that it is Kanpur is famous for textile, chemical, and leather and engineering industry. Do you know what is textile? The meaning of textile, children?
Ma'am, tiles which is on textile, जिसमें text लिखा हो.
Textile means fabric, kapda. What does it mean?
Kapara.
Fabric.
Kapda. Fabric.
Whatever we wear, the things we wear, the trousers, all of them is made up of fabric. That fabric is known as textile. उसे बोलते हैं कपड़ा. Textile industry में कपड़े बनते हैं, right? Now, Uttar Pradesh and a very famous classical dance, Kathak. How many of you are aware of what Kathak is? Everybody knows what is Kathak? Right?
And me.
Good.
Ma'am, Kathak.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have also seen.
Right, good. That is what Kathak is. Okay. Kathak is a famous classical dance which is originated in Uttar Pradesh. And Uttar Pradesh is famous for its handicrafts. What do you mean by handicrafts, children?
Ma'am, craft that are made with hand only.
Right, crafts are made by hand. That's known as handicrafts. Like the handicrafts such as silk saris. You know the silk saris of Uttar Pradesh are very, very, very famous. Some of your mothers might be having as well. Okay. So the brocade designs of Varanasi, the chicken embroidery of Lucknow. What do you mean by chicken embroidery? Does it have chicken, the one chicken that you eat?
Ma'am, this is in Chikan. Chikan.
No, we pronounce it as chicken only, not chikan.
Chikan.
The brocade designs of Varanasi. Okay. Next, the chicken embroidery of Lucknow. The carpentry of Saharanpur. Carpentry means wooden work. I'll show you what brocade and chicken embroidery is. Okay. Daksh, your face is not visible to me. Better sit straight, Daksh. Keep the camera properly. I cannot see you. Yeah, now I can see you. Okay. So, yes, like I was telling you, brocade designs of Varanasi, chicken embroidery of Lucknow. Carpentry means the wooden work, like making of sofas, chair, and different things known as carpentry. And the brass work of Muradabad. Have you seen the brass work? Yes, sir.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is
No,
the
ma'am.
meaning of embroidery? Embroidery.
I'll show you this, right? Just give me a minute. So the brass work of Muradabad, these are also very famous. Hindi and Urdu are the dominant spoken languages. Dominant matlab famous or majorly spoken languages, right, children? The meaning of dominant is the majorly or the mainly spoken languages of Uttar Pradesh. Hindi and
Can I
Urdu
read
are
here?
there. Wait a minute. First, I will show you people what do we mean by the chicken embroidery. Okay? Wanna see? Wanna see about the chicken embroidery and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then
Ma'am, I eat chicken every Sunday.
that is a different chicken. We are not talking about that chicken here. It's a chicken embroidery. We also call it chicken curry work, right? You might have seen your mothers having such kind of suits and all, or dupattas of such kind of work. Embroidery is
Ma'am, I've seen.
yes.
Ma'am, I've visited Kolkata.
Okay, this is not in Calcutta. This is of Lucknow. The chicken curries of Lucknow is very famous, right? So embroidery is the art which is done with the help of thread on the fabric, right? That is known as embroidery. And this embroidery, the kind of this embroidery you can see here, this is known as what? It is known as chikankari. This here. What is it known as? It's known as chikankari, right? You can ask your
Embroidery.
mothers. Your mothers might be very well aware of it. They might be also having dupattas, right? The like they have male kurtas. The kurtas for males as well come. Your fathers also might be having kurtas of chicken. Akshay just want to fetch something of chicken. He'll bring it and show us, right?
Ma'am, what is Baroque
That is brocade.
design?
That's brocade. What is that?
Brocade.
Brocade. Now I'll tell you brocade. Brocade is also a kind of embroidery done on fabric, right? And the fabric also come of brocade. This kind of fabric you might have seen your mothers wearing, no, dupattas like,
ma'am.
or the skirts or lehengas like this. Okay. This fabric is known as brocade fabric. What is it known as? It is known as what is it?
Ma'am, locate.
It's known as brocade fabric. Okay, children. This
Great.
Here, Akshat has gone. I don't know where has he gone, and then he'll be like, "Ma'am, I couldn't see." Right? This is known as brocade fabric. And the last one, the last thing, like, see, you can ask your mothers. They'll also tell you. See, yes, I told you, you'll get it. He has got something. Yeah, Akshat, what is it? Chicken work. Kurta of chicken. Very good.
Ma'am, dupatta.
Ma'am, it is very. Ma'am, it is not stretchable.
Yeah, it's not very stretchable, right? You're right, Arslan. Very good. Like Arslan has, like many of your mothers, most of your mothers will be having a chicken dupatta or something. They also might be having this,
Ma'am, my auntie have this one.
right? Brocade is a very stiff cloth. Good, Akshat. Very good. But there is one thing, Akshat Bacha. If you have gone, you should have asked, ma'am, may I go to get it? Then you should have left. Okay? Okay? Good. Now, last I'm going to show you is brass work, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what brass utensils are like. You also might be having brass utensils at your home as well, right? These kind of stuff.
Ma'am, can I go to bring this?
Ma'am, we can call
Yes,
this
ma'am, I have
Tamba
it.
Pital.
Pital we call it, right?
Ma'am,
Pital.
Ma'am, can I go to bring it?
Yes.
I have a bottle of this.
If you have it, quickly show me, children, if you have it at your home.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Most of us have these things at our home, right? The things made up of
Ma'am,
brass.
please see.
Very good. Wow, Akshat is having everything. He has chicken curry as well. He is having brass things as well. Well done. So I think now you people are aware of what is brass and what is chicken curry, right, children? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Wow, he has got a brass spoon. He has got a brass bottle. Wow, children, very good. Well done. Well done, Charitra. Very good, Charitra. Very good, Arslan. Well done, kids. Kudos to you. Very good. Good. Great. So, children, these things are very famous of Uttar Pradesh. Very good. Keep them aside now. Now we'll talk about Bihar. Okay? What are we going to talk about now?
Ma'am, Bihar.
Bihar.
Ma'am, Bihar.
Bihar, we are going to
Ma'am,
talk
can I read Bihar?
Vedanshu will read Bihar. Vedanshu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, please turn your video on and kindly read it.
Okay. Lies in eastern India. It is bordered by Nepal in the north, West Bengal in the east, Uttar Pradesh in the west, and Jharkhand in the south. Patna is the capital of Bihar. The major rivers flowing through the state are Ganga, Ma'am, what is written after Ganga?
Nobody will draw anything on the
Gandak,
screen.
Kosi, and Sun rivers. Bihar has a warm climate with monsoons in July-August.
Daksh, will you stop it or not? Wait a minute, Vedanshu, stop it here. Daksh, you can leave the class right now. Daksh, do you want to lead the class? Give me an answer for this. Say it, Daksh. One more time and I'll remove you from the class. Yes, Bacha, read.
As the state has many rivers, the fertile soil is used for the cultivation of crops such as rice, sugarcane, and vegetables. Rice, pulses, and vegetables form the
Stop here.
staple food.
Okay, of Bihar. Stop here. Thank you, Vedansh. Right? And Beta, please keep your video on. Right? Thank you so much. Now, as Vedanshu read and told us that Bihar lies in the eastern part of India. Right, children? Again, we have marked it on the map. Do you remember? Right? It is in the eastern part of India. We have four directions: north, south, east, and west. Right? So, Bihar lies in the eastern part of India and it is bordered by Nepal in the north. In the north of Bihar, we have Nepal. In the east of Bihar, we have West Bengal. In the west, we have like Uttar Pradesh. And in the south of Bihar, we have Jharkhand. Clear, children? Is it clear, everyone? Manya, beta, are you underlining it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good, Manya. Arsalan, I cannot see you better. Okay, good, Charit. Sitting very nicely, like a good boy. Okay. Next is, which is the capital of Bihar? What is the capital of Bihar? Taran? Taran will tell us. Taran, what's the capital of Bihar?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Taran will tell. Taranveer will tell. Yes, Mr. Singh. What's the capital of Bihar? It's very easy. It's written in front of your eyes.
Patna.
Very good. It is Patna. Ankush Gautam, sit straight. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Okay?
No.
Right? Now, the two major rivers. Ankush, turn your video on, bacha. This is not the way. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have a circus type house.
What, beta? What else now?
Ma'am, circus type house.
As in?
Ma'am, can I show you?
Yes. Where is he gone now? Oh, very nice, Ursula. Now just come back to the book. Come back.
Ma'am, in it there is light also.
Very good, Ursula. Now come back.
Ma'am, I also have it, but big.
Right. Okay, thank you so much, Ursula. Now let's come back to your studies. So the major rivers flowing through the state are Ganga. What are the major rivers, children? You tell me. Tell me the names.
Ganga, Ganga, Ganga,
Kosi and Sun
Kosi
River.
and Sun
Kosi and
River.
Son River, not Sun. Kosi and Son River, right? These are the rivers. Ganga, Gandak, Kosi and Son. Next is Bihar has a warm climate with monsoons in July and August. Can you tell me the climate of Bihar is similar to the climate of which state?
Ma'am, UP.
Very good, Akshaj. It is similar to the climate of UP. It also, just like UP, it also has warm climate with monsoons in July and August. What's the meaning of monsoon, children?
Ma'am, rainy season.
Rainy season.
Ma'am, rainy season.
Very good. Yes, Charitra, you will read the next paragraph.
Litti Chowk is one of the most famous dishes of Bihar. Bihar is the famous.
You will read from as the state has from Nairobi.
Okay, ma'am. As the state has many rivers, the fertile soil is used for the cultivation of crops such as rice, sugarcane, and vegetables. Rice, pulses, and vegetables form the staple food of Bihar. Little chop is one of
Litti
the most
chokha. What do we call it? Litti chokha.
Litti Chokha is one of the most famous dishes of Bihar. Bihar is famous for Mumbai paintings.
Madhubani
The
paintings. Which paintings?
Madhubani paintings. Madhubani paintings. The people here also make can and bamboo articles and uh,
Daris.
Ma'am, what's up with berries?
Bhagalpur.
Bhagalpur is famous for its fine tea
Quality
silk.
silk.
Quality silk.
Right? Thank you
Bihar-
so much, Charitra. So the state has many rivers. We just read that it has around 4 rivers. Because of having so many rivers, the state has fertile soil. Children, what's the meaning of fertile soil?
Ma'am, good for growing crops.
Very good, Manas.
Good for growing.
growing
Very good,
crops.
Charitra. It means good for growing crops. I want the other children to come and give answers as well, just like Arsalan. And Daksh is not at all studying. I don't know what Daksh is busy in. Right? Okay. So, because this is a very fertile soil, it has a very fertile soil. Here they grow so many crops such as rice, sugarcane, and vegetables. Rice, pulses, and vegetables forms the staple food of Bihar. Children, what do you mean by the staple food?
Main.
Very good, Ankush. It means
Akshat.
Akshaj. It means the main food eaten, the majorly eaten food, right? Litti chokha is one of the most famous dishes of Bihar. Has anyone eaten litti chokha? Has anyone eaten litti chokha? No?
No, ma'am.
It's very delicious it is. Okay. So litti chokha is one of the most famous dishes of Bihar. And Bihar is famous for its Madhubani paintings. Have you seen the Madhubani paintings, children?
No, ma'am.
So I'll show you all these things. I'll show you how litti chokha looks like. I'll show you Madhubani paintings. Like they made cane and bamboo articles. Like this is also very, like in Bareilly also we have many bamboo articles. Like we call it bas. Like the stuff made from bas, right? Cane and bamboo articles. And daris as well. They make daris here as well of the same thing. Bhagalpur is famous for it for its quality silk. Right, children? Sorry. Sorry. Right? So Bihar has many places of historical importance which attract a lot of tourists. Gautam Buddha spent many years living and preaching in Bodh Gaya. Right, Arsalan, are you there? Arsalan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What's wrong with it? Is everything fine?
Mom was taking the mobile because she was seeing the message because my mama is transferring money.
Okay, fine. Right? So, and children, you know what? There is one very good thing about Arslan. You should all learn from him that whatever he has to say, he tries to speak in English only. He conveys his thing to me in English only, right? That's very nice thing of him, which is very appreciated. Right, children? So, Bihar has many places of historical importance and they have given the name of Gautam Buddha. Children, do you know who was Gautam Buddha?
Yes, ma'am. Gautam Buddha.
Yes,
Who?
ma'am.
Have you
Gautam
seen,
Buddha
have you seen any picture?
is
Have you been to the reception of our school children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. I
yes,
see
ma'am.
you.
Right? At the
Yes, ma'am.
reception of the school, we have a picture of Gautam Buddha, right? A very nice painting of him.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it is a yellow type color.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have it. Ma'am.
Wow, that's very nice.
Ma'am, Gautam Buddha was the person who gave up his family and wealth for searching truth.
Yeah, just in search of truth. He was looking for truth. He was searching truth. And in search of truth, he gave up on everything. Okay? Right, children? Right? Now, He spent many years in preaching in Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya is a place in Bihar. And Nalanda, which is an ancient Buddhist monastery. Do you know the meaning of monastery? A place,
Ma'am, jagah place.
a place where monks, Buddhist monks live and preach. जहाँ पे वो रहते हैं, pray करते हैं, right? That's known as monastery. It's a center of learning since ancient times. People go there to learn and know more about, Buddhism and the philosophies and everything. Right, children? So now what do we have to see is, we have to see Litti Chokha, Madhubani paintings and cane and bamboo articles, right?
Ma'am, but you did not tell the meaning of preaching.
Preaching beta means praying and spreading a word about something, letting people know, telling people about the benefits of something, right? Clear?
Okay.
Okay. Now shall we see the
Okay.
pictures?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Wanna
ma'am.
see- What do we want to see first of all? We want to see Litti Chokha, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. See, this is how Litti Chokha looks like. I think you might have eaten it. It's made up of atta, which is wheat flour, and it has the stuffing of dal in it. And the chokha refers to the aloo, like they made it again from potato and all, and they serve it with dal. This is Litti Chokha, which is a very famous dish of where? Litti Chokha is a famous dish of,
Ma'am, Bihar.
Bihar.
right?
Ma'am, litti chokha I have eaten. This is it. Ma'am, litti chokha my mother made the one time. I did not eat it because it was looking bad. I did not eat it.
No, it's very tasty. You must try it. Next, we want to see what are the Madhubani paintings look like, right? You must have seen Madhubani paintings as well, right? This is what
Ma'am, in the
Madhubani,
reception it is Madhubani painting.
that's these kind of paintings,
Ma'am, I have seen.
right? I told you, you guys must have seen. It's just that we are not aware of the details.
Yes, ma'am. I've seen these.
Like most of
No, I've
the
seen
others,
it.
Ancient painting.
this
Ma'am,
is
ancient painting.
this is known as Madhubani art, Madhubani painting. What do we call it?
Madhubani painting.
These
Madhubani
kinds of
Madhubani
paintings are known as
paintings are
Madhubani
ancient.
paintings, and they are very famous, of Bihar. The Madhubani paintings of Bihar are very famous, right? Next, what did we want to see? Cane and bamboo articles.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Cane and bamboo craft. Like this also you all have seen. You might be having many number of things of this at your home as well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
These kind
Yes,
of
ma'am.
baskets you must have seen a lot. You have seen these baskets, right?
Ma'am, I have a swing that made up of bamboo.
Yeah, cane.
Ma'am, in reception, it
Ma'am, it is at my
No, I have
auntie.
seen this. Ma'am,
Right,
and
such
my
articles are
friends
known as
know it is there.
cane and bamboo articles, right, children?
Ma'am,
Anything else?
in Bareilly, in Baso Mandi, these are sale.
Yeah, and Bareilly is very famous for this stuff. You know that Bareilly is also known as Bas Bareilly.
Ma'am, in Baso Mandi.
Right. Right. This is known as bamboo and cane craft. Anything else you want to see, children?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Duri.
Daris. And that's also very easy. You all be like, "Arey ma'am, this we knew. Oh ma'am, we knew this."
Ma'am, what is daris? Meaning?
Daris means
Daris
the rugs which we use. These kind of daris. Like this. Must be
ma'am,
having.
I have seen.
Ma'am, in every home there are. Ma'am,
Right?
in every home there are daris because of
What they meant. Right there.
Pardam.
Right? Got it, children? No, daris are not the pythons basically. Daris are the places on which, like the things which is made up of cots, kind of, you can say. People sit on it. Right? They are not
Ma'am,
doormats, different from
Ma'am,
them.
Akshay is showing this.
Wait a minute, I'll just stop this sharing, then we'll see what Akshay is showing us. Yeah, this is kind of a this is not a dari.
Ma'am, what is
This is a
monastery?
carpet. This is a carpet. A dari is hand woven, like this is a carpet, but a dari is the kind of which I showed you. Okay, Akshay?
Ma'am, what is monastery?
You want to see that as well? Chalo.
Ma'am, what's the Buddhist monastery?
Ma'am, is this a dari?
What beta? Vedanshu is showing. Yeah, this is a dari which Vedanshu is showing us. Yes, Vedanshu, right. Good.
Ma'am, this one also can be a dari.
Right. No, this is not kind of a one, Arsalan. Right, these kind of buildings are known as monastery beta, right? Can you see these buildings? They are known as monasteries, like the ones where Buddhists live and preach, right? These are
Ma'am,
the
ancient building is known as monastery.
no, not ancient buildings. The monasteries are basically where of Buddhists, right? Monasteries.
Ma'am, in Ladakh it is. Ma'am, in
And
Ladakh
it's in
there
Bihar
is.
as well. It's in Bihar as well. This is a monastery which we have. I'll just show you in Bodh Gaya, right? This is a
Ma'am,
monastery.
in India.
In India, right? It is in India, beta. It's in India.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, children.
ma'am, Manya says in Lucknow or where?
See, this is what
Ma'am, I was not saying in Lucknow, ma'am, in Ladakh.
this is in Ladakh. There are monasteries. This was the monastery which was in Bihar. Okay,
Bihar.
children.
Ma'am, Ladakh is in India.
Yeah, Ladakh is in India only, bache. Now the Ladakh is a union territory of India. You know that? Now it is one of the union
Ma'am,
territories.
Jammu and Kashmir also.
Yes, very good, children. So have you understood this much? Well cleared. You have understood what are daris, what is chicken curry, what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
plate. Everything is clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, children. Very nice. I hope you all have understood it very clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
People, right? Fine, children. Now, the next which we have is West Bengal. Oh my God. We have marked West Bengal on the map. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have done that. Okay. So West Bengal, we have marked. Manya, please read about West Bengal quickly.
West Bengal. West Bengal is situated in the eastern part of India. The state has a unique location with the Himalayas in the north and the Bay of Bengal in the south. Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal,
Situated.
is situated in the east bank of the river
Hooghly.
which is a distributary of the river Ganga.
Okay, stop here.
Bhagwan-
Stop here, Manya. Stop here. Right? So Manya has read us one paragraph of it, of West Bengal, where she just told us about where is it situated. As she told us, it is situated where, children? It is situated in the eastern part of
Eastern part
India.
of India.
Right? It has a unique location, and because it has Himalayas in the north and it has Bay of Bengal in the south. Right, kids? Okay. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal, right? And it is situated on the eastern bank of river Hooghly, which is a distributary of Ganga. A distributary is what? Distributary basically is a river which comes out from a major river, right? Okay. And children, we are going to keep it till here only in this class. Now we have last lesson as well. Then we'll read more about West Bengal. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? And here you can you see this picture of Howrah Bridge?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a
Yes, ma'am.
very famous bridge, a huge steel bridge which is constructed over the
Ma'am, it
Hooghly
is very small.
River. Not small, it's very big, huge.